This is a stationery organizer. It is a solid metal mesh construction you can see here with a number of compartments that you can use to stick various pens and items wherever you want so that they're easily accessible from each of these compartments. It also has this nice little drawer here that just slides out that you can put paper in, or as I've done, maybe a stapler and some sticky tape, things of that nature. But it's going to allow you to get organised inside your study or on your work desk at your office. I've also thrown on some Sharpie highlighters here, fluoro ones, so that you can see that you can also attach things to the outside of this. This is going to save space on anyone's desk, and what makes it really good is anyone just about could use one of these. This is the sort of thing you can gift to your kids for school, and you can also give it to someone who has a study at home or perhaps works at an office and needs to get more organised with their stationery. And you can also gift it to mentors and or teachers. So hopefully this helps you make a decision as to whether this mesh desk organizer is for you, and I'll catch you in a future video.